Hi, I'm Sophfronia Scott, Director of the Alma College MFA in Creative Writing, and I'm here at our first summer residency with a student from our first cohort. This is Artricia, and I wanted to talk to Artricia about her experience so far this first residency.
Oh wow, Sophfronia, thank you so much for this opportunity. I am over the top. My experience as a MFA student at Alma College is amazing. I am thrilled. I'm beyond thrilled because as a writer looking for a tribe of people to help who are willing to help with the tools and experience that they've gained in their career has just, for me, this has been like Christmas, my birthday, and everything that an aspiring MFA student would look for. The tools are here, the plan is here, the guidance is here, the community, the city of Alma, Michigan is here, and everyone is welcoming our program, they're welcoming our students. And I'm just excited to have a mentor assigned to me. Leslie Contreras Schwartz is my first mentor, who's laid out a plan that works with my personality. So the flexibility is there, the collaboration is there, and the teamwork is there. It's all here. So if you're considering this program, contact Alma College, and if they have my email address, I'll be more than happy to talk to anyone because it's perfect. After 20 years of looking for a program like this and comparing other schools, this is the best fit for me and all of the 15 other students in this class with me. So we're all excited. I'm thrilled. I'm looking forward to it.
So we're about day 4 into the residency, not even halfway through.
Right.
But what has been your favorite part about it so far?
Workshop.
Workshop.
Definitely workshop and the lectures. To be in the room at lecture first thing in the morning with an established faculty member that has a body of work that speaks to their level of expertise in this field starts the day off. And then to go to lunch and then have the afternoon to be in a room of workshop with 3. I think we have 3 faculty members in the creative nonfiction genre, and to collaborate and communicate with them as equals. You know, they're there to help us. And so workshop for me is lecture and workshop is exciting, and the books, of course, the books. Yeah.
And we also have a summer reading series. We're actually sitting in front of Ballyhoo Books, and we're waiting to hear a reading from Danielle Clayton. So we have readings every night of the residency, and they're open to the public. I hope you will join us. We have residencies in the summer and winter, and our next cohort, the application deadline will be coming up. Check our website, and feel free to contact me. My contact information is on the website, and we will talk more about the program. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm excited.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.